There are growing concerns about the safety of persons who live near the road construction zone along Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew. It comes amidst an incident involving a woman who said she fell and broke her arm while walking along a sidewalk which was dug up during the roadwork just outside her home. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
This sign clearly says road closed, but still many people ignore the warning and make the dangerous trek under this bridge. Yellow tape also suggests people exercise caution as they go about their business.
It's a good thing going on still, but we need to just make some preparation for the pedestrian.
The bridge is one of the two flyovers being erected to ease the flow of traffic in the Portia Simpson Miller Square, Hagley Park Road area. As workmen use heavy equipment and dig trenches along the roadway, it can be quite dangerous for pedestrians. Some people use this gate which leads to the post office, but have to do so gingerly. It was here that one resident, Denise Boyd, claims she fell and broke her arm a few weeks ago.
I am coming out to go buy pampers for my baby. When I come out, I don't know how I fell on the ground, but I felt and lift my hands and then I couldn't get up back as somebody have to run and come take me up after the one because I'm in a lot of pain. The road is level, but the stones them dig up and leave. Yeah, I fell there. I can't tell you how because I'm a toe down buck or nothing. Yeah, I just fell and lick my hand on the big stone.
There is a mechanism in place to treating with such an investigation will be done, and wherever the chips fall, then that will be dealt with. But it is not something that I can speak to not having a report.
Others think the National Works Agency should have made some arrangements for persons who have to use the bank.
Would I like them for just, if I'm done a look apart and fix up a look apart that the senior citizen them can even pass. And then where they have some people that come to the bank with some cash and things, and they cannot walk from so far to come across the bank with them cash and things. You don't have any policeman down here to really situate that them come across,
But according to Communication and Customer Services Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, it was out of an abundance of caution that persons were advised not to walk under the bridge.
We had to be lifting these 100-ton girders that are the connecting rods that I describe them as, connecting each of the piers for the bridge. No, we would not want to be lifting any of those with persons walking beneath it.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.